tracking box, watch pen, manual, multimeter, complete accessories. Direct current. Note that the pen should be inserted into the current port when measuring current. As shown in the video, the current can be measured by connecting the wires in series. He can also measure milliamp currents more finely. DC voltage. AC voltage. Before measuring the capacitance, discharge the capacitor. To measure the battery, just press the positive and negative electrodes to measure. The buzzer can detect the on and off of items. Diodes can check the quality of LED lights. Resistance can also be easily and accurately measured.